Come on, let me get the sexy. I dare you.
Oh, I'm about to say you can't do no. All you can do is lunch.
Hey! What the f?
Come on, man.
Hey, you want to come back to the bar? Nah. Hey, you coming back? No, disrespectful. You messed up for that. You messed up for that.
Where you go? Did he leave?
Save your time. Oh, I know better than that.
Man, he leaving. Oh, I know where he going. Hey. I dare you.
Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Hey, do it. Tire again.
Oh yeah, come on, bro. His exhaust is loud as fuck.
You can do it. That's what he did.
No! Too loud. He said he was gonna fake us out.
Of course he gonna do it.
Hold up, that's not Anthony, is it? No, he black.
He gonna go right here with us.
Good Lord! That one! What the fuck? What the? You be having too much fun. Nigga stupid as shit. This nigga funny as shit. You said what?
Move my car away.
Dog, I thought he was gonna hit him.
He's gonna park right here.
Like, you do it, I'm gonna do it.
I'm not about to do it. I got phone with that. That's not happening.
Yeah.
He ain't do very well, did he? No.
I said that.
I know his ass fucking car too.
That's S2K.
Yeah. I love you. I want to step out, but I'm scared I'm gonna get hit.
Smell it fresh time.
Ooh. I thought he was gonna do it. Hey. Hey. So you wanna race?
No.
This motherfucker funny as shit. Where the fuck did he go? Well, ask him to do it, he did it. Thank you! Oh.
Anything to try and see if I can do it. No more, baby, for song.
fuck this shit up, dude. I know. That shit looked like so much fucking fun. Hold up. Oh yeah, what's up? All right. Just got in from the Imperial Dynasty meet. Yo, that shit was fucking awesome, bro. I'm definitely going next time if I'm not working by then. But I met the homie Journey. Didn't really get to talk to him because everybody was like pulling him which way. But his Honda is dope as fuck. He had the S2000. But yo, I had a great time. Shout out to everyone that I met. But yeah. The homie with the other car, he's like, I'm not gonna even say what happened. But this shit was crazy. Like, I had just stopped recording, some shit happened. But anyway, nice meeting everybody that I met at the Dynasty meet. I'm going tomorrow. I got a job interview, and then I'm going to tomorrow's. Well, today is Wednesday, but I got today when I get up later. I got a job interview, and what the fuck is it? Where is it? Hey, I went blank. Hold up. What the fuck? In Columbia. Shit. And then I'm going to the Crofton meet later. So, yeah. Had a great fucking time. Another thing too. The job interview. I don't know if I told you. I don't think I vlogged like that, but after I got out the job interview, I really like that fucking job. I really fucking do. But it's just that it's so far. Like, I really want that job, but it's just like the distance, and it's like, that's like an hour and some change. It's over, like, with traffic, it's like an hour, over an hour, well over an hour. But without traffic, it's about 30, 40 minutes. Like, Rockville traffic is fucking crazy. Like, it was not like that a couple years ago when I left. And it all, like, so much construction shit happened, and it's crazy. But I'll see y'all tomorrow. And yeah, okay, but yeah, treat others how you want to be treated. That also means behind the wheel, because your life is no more important than anyone else. Peace, and I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.